Hi, Lou Manfredini, ACES Home Expert, and in this video we're going to show you how to add a fuel treatment to your gas-powered snow thrower so it runs better. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, while it's always a good idea to use a fuel stabilizer when you put your snow thrower to bed in the spring and summer, if you didn't do so, it might be wise to use a fuel treatment before you start it up. I'm going to show you a product called Seafoam, which is an additive that you put to the fuel tank along with fresh gasoline to help clean out the carburetor and the injector and to try and get the unit to run at its peak efficiency. So with a almost full tank of gas, you want to add the appropriate amount of Seafoam to the tank, let it sit there for just a couple minutes or so, and then from there start your engine and let it run for about 5 or 10 minutes or so to allow the cleaner to get through the carburetor, and then it will help the unit to run more efficiently and help for easier starting throughout the snow throwing season. And that's it. Now, if you need more help or advice, you can always go to acehardware.com and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.